Hi everyone, I'm Aaron and this is Josh and we're here on the Magnesium Minute. And today we want to talk about weight. We talk a lot about weight, right Josh?
Right, we're always talking about the density of these different materials that you can use to design your structural car parts.
Yeah, and I think today it's a good idea to quantify what that looks like, right? We have these very nice models here. We have wheels that have been manufactured in various materials, starting with steel, moving to aluminum, and then finally magnesium. And what we're going to do here, we're going to place them on our scale and quantify what that actually looks like for parts that are the same volume. So weighing our steel wheel here, we've got 704.8 grams. Moving to aluminum, 246.3 grams. And then finally, moving on to magnesium. And there's quite a difference in picking these up.
Yeah.
159 grams even. So looking at the deltas, you can see a sizable drop from steel to aluminum. I mean, we're looking at 65% drop there. Then moving from aluminum to magnesium, we've got an additional 35% drop. Big drops, right? But what we're used to, Josh.
And a lot of times we're able to convert steel parts to magnesium and still hit all the performance requirements.
77.5% roughly. So that's our effort to quantify here the advantages of magnesium. Any other comments?
Lightweight is great.
On the Magnesium Minute.